All right, we've got a try not to laugh challenge. Funny cat memes. Part 69. Sorry. I had to. All right, try not to laugh. Try not to laugh. Let's see who freaking cracks first. Oh no.
Don't do that.
Uh-oh.
Don't do that. Yeah.
His meow is so cute.
Okay. Oh. What the? Oh, okay. Uh-oh. No, the baby. The baby.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Oh, lordy. Kill it. Kill it. Oh.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
There you go. Like, all right.
Time to do some
Wait, did he just steal all the cheese? Oh no. He's gonna push it off it. Yep. Bath time. I'm with my boy. Alright, that's cute. That's cute. Oh. 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 Okay, there you go. Nice try. You're gonna try to drink it, aren't you? Yep. Freaking. There we go. Perfect.
괜찮아.
You hiding? You hiding back there?
괜찮아.
Sorry. No,
Look at
well.
that. He's tall. He's a tall man. He was a nickel when I kidnapped him from his mother.
You what? You did what? Okay, that was pretty good. That got me. Whoa, what the hell? What? Oh! No, you're not done yet. Are they gonna... Wow. Well.
Donate food?
Oh, I got a little baby. Oh no. No, no.
Did you just tell me no?
Meow. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The hell? Well, you just locked yourself out. Perfect. You making fun of me? You making fun of me? Oh. They are not happy. Smack them. Come on. It's like, feed me. Feed me. You get. No. You dropped it back in. No. Oh, almost. Whee! Oh.
Shouldn't have been fighting with the rapper.
It always amuses me so much watching a cat with something stuck to their body. It's always just so freaking hilarious. Well.
Okay, well, that's you. But on the other hand, me? Oh, I'm gonna turn up.
And out. Huh? Come on. This guy. Huh? Her? That cat. Every time you look at it, it looks like it's shocked that you're looking at it or something. I don't know. Oh, well. Okay. Bye, fan. Oh.
Focus, I can do this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, almost. Let's try a different spot. Let's try it over here. Here we go. Okay, no, that's not working. Okay, one last time. No, fuck it.
I forgot.
They're disappointed. They're so disappointed. Dude, the eyes look like they're about to pop out. Bonk. Uh-oh. The hell? Just working on that. Oh no! Hang in there. Oh, okay.
Yo, these cats are beefing at 7 a.m. What the fuck?
Kind of what they do, man.
Yo, this cat.
If it's not 7 a.m. that they're... Oh. How to gently parrot your cat. Like, shh, shh. Smell the chloroform. Mine.
Fuck is that sound? George, let go.
No, it's mine.
Are you serious? Oh my god. George!
That would be my big fat ass. Mm-hmm, that shit tastes good. I don't give a damn what nobody said. That
Ozzy, I just mopped, bro.
Really, 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 really. Uh-oh. Do not the cat. What the frick was that? That is a big rat. Like, oh my god.
Long live the king.
Instant regret. What? Like, no touch. No touch. No touch.
Huh?
Oh my god. They tried, okay? They tried.
Amanda.
Oh.
Who are you?
I'm Amanda. I'm
I'm
6.
I'm 6.
Okay, people, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town. Oh my god!
Oh Lord, he coming. That is a chunky cat. That is a very chunky cat. All right, the bounce. Boing. Just, you know, just toasting it up a little bit. Okay, fine. That's a very tsundere cat. It's a very tsundere cat. Bonk. Ah. Why do they do that? Why do cats do that? Oh no! Oh no, the puppies! Oh no, the puppies!
Oi, no. You're smiling.
It feels like an. That seems like an older dog. Oh, that's right. And the human can't. The human won't do it. You gotta do it for yourself. Oh, they're gonna go. Oh. Okay. Safe. Really? No, don't flick. The heck? It's gonna knock out every freaking ceiling tile, isn't it? they're gone. And they're gone. Okay. That was good, though. That was freaking good.